Hello, welcome back to our tutorial. If you missed our last tutorial, get to watch our video on how to do a stock take in UZAPOINT. On this video, we get to learn how to add stock conversion units in the system. UZAPOINT allows you to sell your products in different units of measurement. For example, you can sell eggs either as crates or as a single piece. On your records, the item will be the same, but how it is packaged when sold and purchased may vary. For example, you can purchase sodas in crates, but you can sell either in crates or as a single piece. The price for the various units of measurement may also vary. If a product has a conversion unit, its default UOM or the unit of measurement should be the highest unit. For example, in the case of the eggs, the default unit should be crates. Then, it should be converted to the smaller units, such as pieces. This will ensure accurate stock tracking. Before adding a conversion unit, you need to add the various UOMs that can be used. To do that, go to Products, Classification, and click on UOM. Click the Add UOM button and write in all your units of measurement. You can now proceed to define your conversion units. Still on Product Classification, click on the Conversion Units tab. Then click the Add Conversion button. On the pop-up that comes up, select the product that you want to define the different units of measurement. For this example, I will use mango juice. The default unit and the default unit of measurement will be populated for you. The default UOM for this mango juice is liters. Write in the conversion unit. For instance, the mango juice can be purchased in liters and sold either in large glasses or small glasses. The first conversion in this case will be 1 liter converts to 2 large glasses. Write 2 as the conversion unit and select large glasses as the UOM. On the unit selling price, write the selling price of 1 large glass. Click the Add button. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm to add the SCU. Read through the statement to confirm that the conversion is correct and then click on Add. For this case, it will ask me to confirm if 1 liter of mango juice converts to 2 large glasses, of which the unit selling price is 100 shillings. I will click on the Add button. And I will proceed to do the same for the other units. That is, 1 liter of mango juice converts to 3 small glasses. Your conversions will be added in the system. When making a sale at the point of sale for any product with a conversion unit, you will be prompted to choose the unit of measurement you will be selling at. For example, when I select the mango juice, the system will ask me to choose between the liters, the large glass, or the small glass. Each of these has a different selling price. In this case, the small glass goes at 50 shillings and the large glass goes at 100 shillings. You can hide a UOM's visibility on the point of sale. For this example, I might choose to hide the UOM liters. To hide the visibility of a UOM, go back to the dashboard and click on Settings. Click on POS and go to the Products tab. On POS Products, search for the product, then click the Settings button. A pop-up will appear with all the conversion units shown on the POS. By default, all the conversion units are visible on the point of sale. Hence, the toggle button is off. Toggle the button on to make a UOM hidden on the point of sale. Once done, click the Save setting. When you go back to the point of sale, and trying to sell the mango juice again will only bring the large glass and the small glass. If you need to update any SCU, go to the conversion units table and choose the entry to edit. Click on Update and edit the field you want to change. Then click on Update. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and next we get to learn how to add reorder levels in UZAPOINT.